welcome to IMTEX 2025. We are at the hall of LMW, a renowned name in the world of machine tools. And I have with me Mr. Shashank Joshi, head of sales. Mr. Joshi.
Yeah, first of all, good morning and welcome to our stall, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. And I would like to know from you what are the emerging trends in your domain and what are the recent innovations in your products and offerings?
In this IMTEX, our team has been value experience. We have come up with 12 new products, and we will be able to cater to emerging segments or high growth segments like defense, railways, aerospace, and oil and gas. So we have come up with these new products which will have all the required features to cater to these customers from this industry.
I see. And the customer expectations are soaring higher, in terms of precision, efficiency,
Yes.
and of course economy,
Yes.
and lastly productivity.
Yes.
So how do you address these demands?
Yeah, customer demands are growing, and there is a competition, fierce competition. What they need is a value for their money. So all these new products which we have come up with in this MTEX, customers will find number of benefits, and then they can experience the value. We can go model wise if required. We have launched our bigger turning centers, especially for these defense, then railways and oil and gas segments, wherein you can carry out multiple operations. So it's a sort of multitasking machines. What we are offering, not only the turning, but all milling and other operations they can do in a single setup, which will definitely save the time and then the cost per piece.
I see. And so what are the innovative products on display here, and what will be the center of attraction for the visitors?
Yes, as I said, all these 12 products are new products. We have come up with the compact HMC with a pallet size of 400 by 400. That is the attraction. We have another HMC with 500 by 630. It's a bigger HMC with all these state-of-art features, and which will cater to almost every industrial segment. That is the main center of attraction. We have come up with these turning centers of up to 3 meters turning length for defense and then aerospace and then oil and gas energy segment. This is the center of attraction. We have also come up with 5-axis machining centers for machining complex parts of aerospace industry. And of course, we have displayed our compact CNC lathe and then the heavy duty machining center JV150, typically for making dies and mold and auto components.
Among the lot, will you be able to single out one particular machine which is a masterpiece?
All are
masterpiece.
All are masterpiece in their respective areas. Yes, all are a masterpiece because each machine what we are displayed caters to different types of customers. So in that sense, all are masterpieces.
Okay. And how do you align yourself with the latest technologies in terms of Industry 4, sustainability,
Yes,
and digital technology?
All these our machines what we make apart from these new products, these are now cater to industry 4.0 requirement, and the automation friendly machines are all automation friendly. The machine what we are displayed LL20T L5, it's with the complete automation with the Kobo, and it's a flexible automation system wherein this entire auto system with the Kobo, it can be shifted from one machine to another. So it all depending on the customer requirement, their batch size. So it gives the utmost flexibility to the customer.
So according to you, what is the future of the Indian machine tool industry?
It's a bright future. So many components are coming down to India because of China Plus policy. So, but the demands are, customers are, as you said, are become more demanding. Component have become accuracies have become very stringent. So these are the challenges.
Really challenges.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. All the very best.